Welcome to Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks. Today's break is number 983. We're opening 2 boxes of Panini Crown Royale 13-14 hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended July 21st at 9:29 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 12:42 p.m. Wednesday, July 22nd. That's Eastern Time. Local time, Toronto, Ontario. Our first box number is 206, 351, 832. Second box number is 206, 350, 251. We've got 5 cards per pack, 4 back to box, total of 2 boxes to open. First box, Crown Royale, 13-14. We've got an empty box, 4 packs. First pack over 2 box break. Patrick Marleau for Sharks, debuts jersey card, coat of arms. Joe Pavelski for Sharks, jersey and auto hard signed. Nice hit for Sharks, silhouette auto jersey. Tyler Johnson for Tampa Bay, rookie signature card out of 499. And our last pack of our first box. We got a triple jersey. Daniel Alfredson, Daniel Sedin, and Philip Fosberg. So we got a matchup. Leave this because we're going to handle it a few times. Card will be randomized at the end of the break between Detroit Canucks and Predators on random.org. For those unfamiliar with this procedure, all the information is available on my description pages. Okay, we'll clean up the second box of the 2 box break. Just like to mention, we got 7 box breaks ending tonight between 7:30 and 10:30 p.m. Got an empty box, 4 packs. First pack of the second box. Corey Perry for Ducks, Silver Chalice, game used jersey card. Robert Bortuzzo for Penguins, jersey silhouette. And wow, this one is extra thick. Either let's see what we got. Okay, base. There's 2 of them. That's why. Charlie Coyle for Wilds. We got a rookie signature card, scratching the surface, hard signed, from Minnesota. And Alex Killorn for Tampa Bay. Nice patch, rookie patch out of 50. Heirs to the Throne. That was a nice pack. Okay, last pack of our 2-box break. Blues, Bernie Federico, Voices of the Game, Heart Sign Signature, Blues. Okay, we'll clean up here. We'll do a quick recap of our hits, but before we do, we got this card to be randomized. I'm already set up on random.org like always, so let me just bring you guys to my screen. Okay, so we're on random.org under the list randomizer. First team on card is Detroit and Vancouver. The Predators. Okay, so let's double check here. First on card, we got Detroit, Vancouver, Canucks, and Predators. And also, front of the card, in that order, we've got Detroit, Canucks, and Predators. The card will be randomized 3 times. Team that's on top the 3rd time wins the card. Here we go, we'll randomize once. We've got Vancouver on top twice. Vancouver still on top, and a 3rd time. We've got Predators on top here. Randomize this list 3 times. Nashville gets a triple jersey card. Okay, quick recap as promised. Predators gets the triple jersey card. Got a Voice of the Game for Blues, Bernie Federico. Beautiful rookie patch for Tampa Bay. Rookie signature card, scratching the surface for Wild. Silhouette jersey for Penguins. Silver chalice for Ducks. Rookie auto for Tampa Bay. Got a silhouette auto and jersey of Joe Pavelski for Sharks, and a jersey for Sharks. That concludes our break number 983 for 2 boxes of Crown Royale Hockey, 13-14. Be sure to check out our other box breaks tonight. My name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.